Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Pause now and breathe deeply for 1 full minute to reduce stress. Sit down and count breaths until you feel steadier. Take 10 minutes to note facts about what happened. Write 3 concrete things that went wrong and 3 facts you control. Avoid blaming yourself emotionally in this first check. Choose one clear short-term goal you can complete in 24 hours. That goal should be simple and observable to rebuild momentum quickly. Create a recovery plan that breaks action into small, achievable steps. Identify 3 tasks you can finish within 1 day to regain control. Schedule tasks in 15-minute blocks so progress is visible and fast. Prepare any materials or contacts you need before you start each block. Focus on completing the first block without worrying about later ones. Celebrate each completed step with a short pause or note to reinforce momentum and confidence. After action, take 20 minutes to reflect on lessons learned and patterns. Ask what contributed to the setback and what you can realistically change. Choose one habit or behavior to adjust this week that addresses the core issue. Write a simple improvement metric you can check weekly to measure progress. Plan a weekly check-in with yourself or a trusted person to stay accountable. Use what you learn to refine future short-term goals and to regain long-term direction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.